Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time for unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J6. So it's kind of a really interesting device because we've got some really cool specifications on this phone. We've been seeing Samsung Galaxy J7 series for a while, and now we also have J6 series. So this is a 32 gig version phone. We have got Super AMOLED display here, Infinity display as well, so we will be seeing that 18:9 screen ratio. There is fingerprint scanner here, 4G LTE, 64-bit octa-core processor, and 5.6-inch HD plus AMOLED display. So this is not full HD, this is just HD. 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera, 32 gigs of internal storage and 3 gigs of RAM. It's a dual SIM phone and it is secured by Knox. So let's cut to the chase and see what's inside the box, and let's take a look at the phone. So there are quite a few stickers here and there, and I need to cut them all off. So there it is, and a nice way to pick it up. It's black in color as always, my favorite. So I'll just put it down for a while and take a look at some accessories inside the box. So we have got our quick start guide here, charging cable, headphones, very standard stuff from Samsung, and then we have got our charger here, which is not a fast charger, so that's expected, and SIM ejector tool. So that's pretty much it from inside the box. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. Now it looks really interesting, and let's take off this cover. Okay, so I think this is plastic, it's not metal. Let's take off the sticker as well. Now in black color it looks really cool, and I'm actually really liking it. Okay, so we've got some covers here as well which we need to take off. So there we go, all the stickers are off. We have got a 13 megapixel camera at the back, fingerprint scanner right below it, and very reachable with the index finger. And then we've got volume buttons here and power button here, speaker up here, and then we have got couple of SIM ejector trays. So I guess we can use two SIM cards as well as an SD card all at the same time. Let's turn it on. So while it's turning on, I actually want to see if it does indeed has support for two SD cards, and so there we go. We have SIM 1, and we have SIM 2 plus SD card. So you can use two SIM cards as well as an SD card all at the same time. So a true dual SIM phone from Samsung. So let's put this stuff aside and let's go through the setup quickly. We'll do that later. I agree to all these terms. So we've got face recognition here, fingerprint scanner, pin, pattern and password. So all these security features. Skip anyway, not right now. Skip for now, and okay, let's finish it. Now I exactly don't know if it's running on Android Oreo or some previous version. I am hopeful that it's running on Android Oreo. So let's go in settings, go in about phone, and here we can go in software information. So it's running on Android version 8.0, so it's running on Android Oreo, Samsung Experience version 9.0. So the latest software is here, and we've got pretty decent specifications: 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage. Actually, I also want to see how much storage is available, so let's go in device maintenance and go in storage. So we have 22.7 gigs out of 32 available out of the box, so there is that. Let's go in camera. Okay, so very fast, almost no shutter lag here in the camera. Also, it has got that swipe interface that we got on Samsung Galaxy S9, so you can simply swipe to change between modes, and that's awesome. Really happy to see this feature make it to this phone. Really cool. So we have got continuous shot, stickers, auto, beauty, pro mode, panorama, night, and then HDR rich tone. So very decent camera on this mid-range entry-level phone from Samsung. So you can see all these settings here. I'll be going through them in detail. You can also let me know in the comments if you want to know anything specific about this phone. But that's pretty much it from this video. That was the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J6. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.